Dun-dun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today we have the Vivo X100Ultra. So this is the flagship model and very powerful camera phone device in the market. And this time the Vivo that official sponsorship of the European football match 2024. And next, I'm going to unboxing this latest and fast flagship model from Vivo X100Ultra, co-engineered with Zeiss as well this time. And today we have the titanium color and the highest specification, 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM. Okay, so next, let's open it. Let's check what's inside this box. And it's the special titanium smartphone appearance. So okay, after opening it, the smartphone is just here, the first floor and inside the box. And before we check this device, yes, I cannot wait to check it. We can check the accessories first. So this is the cable. This is a Type-C to USB-A cable, and this time for the Vivo X100Ultra is used the Blue Ocean 5500 mAh big battery with 80W capable fast charging and 70W wireless fast charging. It also supports 3D vapor chamber cooling system. And yes, this is the cable, SIM card ejector, and the charger. So this is the charger, Type-C to USB-A charger, cable powered, and it supports the flash charger. Yeah, so this is a cable and battery information, and also this time to provide a distant case. It's not transparent, hard, a soft one. It's like a silk gel, and the hands-on feelings is much better than normal transparent plastic one. And this time it's also designed by Vivo. And also this is the user manual, warranty card, and safety information, battery safety information on this paper. So okay, nothing special in the box, and this is all the stuff inside. So next, okay, finally we can go to the smartphone, today's highlight. So yes, first let's put this aside and let's peel the smartphone protect off, and then whoa. Yeah, so this is the Vivo X100 Ultra, and this time to provide 100, 100S, and 100 Ultra. Okay, let's peel the plastic protect off, and then yes, titanium color looks so amazing, and it's not shiny, it's a matte glass. And also use the classical and very popular camera circle camera zoom, and also the age is used the Claude Paris design, and the Zeiss logo is in the middle of the camera zone circle, and the right top is the dual LED flashlight and Type-C, and the mental framework, curved screen, triple camera system. And this time for the dimension about the device is 164/75, and thickness is 9.323 mm, and the weight is just 229 grams. Yes, curved screen is 6.78 inch, 2K E7 small punch hole screen. Peak brightness reach to 3000 nit and support 1440 Hz, full frequency PWM, bright adjustment. And also this time they use the on-developed ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint. And here's the processor information about this device. Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. Only the Ultra use this device that use the Dimensity processor, and also the RAM and ROM support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, and also only the Ultra Edition support the Tiantong satellite network, satellite communication. Here is the introduction about the Tiantong satellite communication. You can use this as a SOS. Also, this time the phone is support IP68 and IP69K waterproof and dustproof, and also support the signal amplifier and support 5.5G. So this is a big leap, yes, compared to the normal phones. So yes, I think for this device, the most important thing we can talk is the camera, because this time also provide to work with small rig to provide a photograph kit customized for this powerful camera phone. And yes, now next we can have a very simple and camera test. I will also put the sample pictures, sample videos, and also the dark night camera test at the end of the video, so we can check it at the end of the video. The camera part of the specification is used 50 megapixel G1 front camera, and rear triple camera system is 50 megapixel 1 big inch LYT 900. And here's the camera test, and also 50 megapixel wide angle LYT 600, and also a powerful 200 megapixel Zeiss APO periscope telephoto. So here's the normal camera test about the real camera, front camera, the zoom performance, and also this time we know it's powered by the Vivo Blue image technology, and also to use the V3 Plus image chips, and also we can find the Zeiss T asterisk logo on the phone. Yes, camera. Here's zoom performance. So this time it supports the Super OIS anti-shake zoom performance, maximum 100, and also it supports the telephoto videos 30 times. So this is very unbelievable. And 4K film recording. This is a video, and also 85mm portrait and telephoto, long focal, and 40 mid QR code scanned QR code, and support 50 megapixel super raw, and also support 3D pictures and 3D videos, and also the mainstream MR mixed reality devices. So here are the more features about this camera. So I think during all the Android phones, the Vivo is the very top during these old Android phones. You can always trust the Vivo to provide the top camera experience. So let's enjoy and check the design of the phones again. Yes. Okay, so this is a very simple camera test. So what do you think of such powerful camera phone? And bye bye, let's enjoy it. And now it's the video sample test. Okay. Dark night, now it's night. Video also support zoom. Sorry. I need not so smart. Not so smart. Not so friendly for one hand. Whoa, amazing. $100 very nice, powerful.